Okay guys, what's up, it's Bianca Olvera. I'm here just to show you a web link that I enjoy using. Let me close the door really quickly. Okay, a website I enjoy using, and it is called bit.ly.com. Bit.ly.com, what it does is actually it shortens up a big, huge affiliate link that you may have, and you just go ahead and create one. So let's dive in here. Let's see. So you want to go to create. When you go to create, all you're doing is you want to make sure you already have the link copied into your URL here, and you want to go ahead and just paste it. Once you paste it, you're going to have a new Bitly link here, okay? So once you get that new link right here, it's going to generate it for you. You create it. Once it's created, once it was created, it says uh-oh because I didn't put nothing there. So once it is created, you will see what the link looks like. And also you want to name it something that you're going to remember, something special. I have just a few here and I have a little bit more going, but yeah. So that's how you want to create it. It's so simple and it's so easy and it's perfect. It's free. When you have these huge links that you want to kind of shorten up. So that is all I wanted to show you guys. And also when you dive in, you guys can look for yourself. How many clicks you generated. Clicks are basically how many people clicked on your link, okay? So, you have the different countries. If it's for the United States, Canada, Australia, and 3 other countries, you'll see it there. And then also your graph chart on how well you did, okay? So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, let me know, and I hope this helped you, okay?